Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the hottest investment trends shaping 2025. These aren't just passing fads. These are the game changers that are set to redefine the investment landscape. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these trends can open up exciting new possibilities for your investment portfolio. Ready to dive in? Number 10. Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Now, artificial intelligence isn't some futuristic fantasy anymore. It's here and it's transforming every industry from healthcare to finance, education, and even agriculture. Companies are pouring billions into AI-driven tools and services, and by 2025, AI will be powering everything from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. The growth potential is astronomical, and if you want to ride this wave, consider investing in AI-focused stocks or exchange-traded funds. Companies like NVIDIA, which provides AI chips and software, and C3.ai, which offers AI software for various industries, could be your ticket to this exciting trend. But remember, AI is still evolving, so be ready for some bumps along the way. No. 9. Clean energy and renewable infrastructure. Clean energy isn't just a choice anymore, it's a necessity. Solar, wind, and battery storage projects are expanding rapidly, and governments worldwide are supporting green investments with new policies and subsidies. By 2025, renewable energy will be a major player in the global energy mix. To tap into this trend, invest in renewable energy companies or green infrastructure funds such as NextEra Energy, a solar energy company, or Brookfield Renewable Partners, a global leader in renewable power. These investments can offer long-term growth while contributing to a healthier planet. Just remember, the renewable energy sector is highly dependent on government policies and incentives, so stay informed about any changes in regulations. No. 8. Private equity and private credit. Traditionally, private markets have been a playground for the wealthy and large institutions. However, that's changing rapidly. Private equity and private credit funds are opening doors that were once closed to everyday investors. In 2025, more companies are choosing to stay private longer, creating unique entry points for those who know where to look. Private markets also tend to have lower correlations with public markets, making them an excellent tool for diversification. To invest in private equity, consider platforms like Crowd, Invest, or Seed Invest, which allow you to invest in startups and high-growth companies. For private credit, look into funds like KKR's 14th Street Capital, which provides loans to middle-market companies. Keep in mind, private investments typically have illiquidity, meaning your money is tied up for a period of time and can't be easily withdrawn. But if you're willing to embrace this challenge, you could unlock exciting opportunities previously reserved for the elite. Number 7. U.S. housing and real estate development. The demand for new housing in the United States is at a critical point. There is a wide gap between the number of homes needed and the number of homes available, especially in the affordable housing segment. On top of that, there's a growing need for senior living projects as the population continues to age. Real estate developers and investors are stepping in to address this issue. This presents a unique opportunity for savvy investors to capitalize on this pressing need. By 2025, millions of new housing units will be required to meet the growing demand. And those who invest early can position themselves to benefit from this inevitable growth. Whether you're interested in real estate funds that focus on housing development or individual development projects, the options are vast and the potential returns are enticing. Just remember, real estate investments can be illiquid and subject to market fluctuations. So do your research and plan accordingly. No. 6. Fixed income and bonds. Interest rates have been at historically low levels for several years, but with central banks taking action to combat inflation, that's all changed. Today, interest rates are higher than they've been in over a decade, which means bonds are back in the spotlight. Bonds offer a fixed income, making them an attractive option for investors seeking stability and steady cash flow. By purchasing a bond, you become a creditor to the issuer, which could be a government or a corporation. In return for lending your money, you receive regular interest payments over a specified period. In 2025, creating a ladder of bonds can provide predictable income and mitigate risks associated with fluctuating interest rates. This approach involves buying bonds with varying maturity dates so that a portion of your holdings matures each year, providing a reliable stream of income. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks, although their returns are usually lower. Still, in an era of rising rates, bonds offer a valuable opportunity for investors seeking safety and consistent returns. 5. Financial services and payment processing. The financial sector continues to be a powerhouse, driving innovation and growth in the global economy. One area that's particularly strong is payment processing. As e-commerce expands worldwide, companies that facilitate online transactions are in high demand. From digital banking platforms to investment services, financial technology is reshaping how we manage our money. These advancements not only make financial services more accessible, but also offer greater convenience and efficiency. Investing in companies at the forefront of this revolution, such as Square, a popular payment platform, or Robinhood, known for its commission-free stock trading, can provide excellent opportunities. Just remember that the financial sector is highly regulated, so keep an eye on any changes in policies or economic conditions that might affect these investments. 4. Industrial, aerospace, and defense. The industrial sector is booming thanks to increased infrastructure spending and technological upgrades across various industries. Aerospace and defense firms are also seeing higher budgets and exciting new projects on the horizon. Companies involved in aerospace engineering, satellite systems, and defense technology are well positioned for growth. Global demand for safety and security continues to drive investments in the defense sector. Some key players include Lockheed Martin, a major player in aerospace and defense, and Honeywell, which provides a range of industrial products and services. While these sectors can be influenced by government spending and international conflicts, they offer exciting opportunities for long-term growth. 3. Precious metals, gold and silver. Gold and silver have been trusted cornerstones of investments for centuries. They're considered safe haven assets that hold value during economic uncertainty and market volatility. When other asset classes are struggling, precious metals tend to maintain or increase in value. Investing in gold or silver can provide stability and balance to your portfolio. You can add them through funds that invest in gold and silver mining companies or purchase physical gold or silver assets. Consider funds like the SPDR Gold Shares or the iShares Silver Trust. These funds allow you to gain exposure to precious metals without the need to physically store and manage the assets. Remember, the price of precious metals can fluctuate based on various factors, including global economic conditions and investor sentiment. 2. ESG and sustainable investments. ESG, or environmental, social, and governance investing, is becoming increasingly important. Companies that prioritize sustainability and ethical practices are attracting long-term investors who want to make a positive impact. ESG funds consider the environmental footprint, social responsibility, and corporate governance when making investment decisions. They invest in companies that align with these criteria, promoting sustainable business practices and positive societal impact. Green bonds are another excellent option. These bonds finance environmentally friendly projects and offer investors the chance to contribute to a cleaner future while earning a return. Consider funds like the iShares ESG Aware MSCI USA ETF or the UBSEQ SETF. These funds provide exposure to companies that are leaders in sustainability, potentially offering both profits and a positive contribution to the planet. Keep in mind, evaluating the true impact of ESG investments can be complex. Look for funds with transparent reporting and strong track records. 1. Emerging markets and global diversification. Emerging markets are presenting exciting opportunities for investors seeking growth beyond developed economies. Countries like India, Indonesia, and Brazil are investing heavily in technology and infrastructure, driving rapid development and innovation. These markets offer the potential for higher returns, but it's essential to recognize the risks involved. By diversifying your portfolio with emerging market investments, you can reduce risk and open doors to new possibilities. Consider global funds or emerging market ETFs like the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets ETF or the iShares Core MSCI Emerging Markets ETF. These funds provide broad exposure to emerging markets, allowing you to participate in their growth while managing risk. Keep in mind, investing in emerging markets involves exposure to political, economic, and currency risks. Stay informed about global events and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. And there you have it, the top 10 investment opportunities for 2025. These trends offer exciting possibilities for those looking to grow their wealth and stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're interested in technology, clean energy, real estate, or global markets, there are plenty of opportunities to explore. Remember to conduct thorough research, assess your risk tolerance, and consider consulting with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We would love to hear your thoughts on the investment trends shaping 2025. Leave a comment below and let us engage in a conversation. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing.